Welcome to today's daily message. Today I want to talk just briefly about an event that took place at the parish here last Friday. Um, Last Friday evening, an organization called Welcome Neighbor STL brought two young women who were refugees from the country of Afghanistan to the parish. These two young ladies, Andisha and Mariam Shah, prepared a meal for us of rice and lamb and salad and desserts. It was very good. There were just over 100 people in attendance. Welcome Neighbor STL is an organization that sponsors meals like this so that folks like Andisha and Mariam and others like them can show what Afghan cuisine or Syrian cuisine or food from other countries is like. And also, these two young women shared their stories with us, the stories of how they made it to this country and how they've done since they've been here. So they were both born in Afghanistan. They were forced to move to Russia when they were young girls. In the process, both of their parents have passed away. They experienced a lot of negativity in Russia. They were not welcomed in Russia. And so eventually they made their way to the United States and to St. Louis, even though they knew next to nothing about this country. They now are in the last phases of completing their degrees from the University of Missouri St. Louis, and they will be moving to California soon. And so, despite all of the obstacles, and these women were both in their 20s, despite everything that they've been through, they have not only survived, but they've come here and they've made a living. One of the things that struck me about their talk was just how grateful they are to the people of this area for their generosity and how that we, the people in the St. Louis area, have made them feel welcome. I mention all of this simply for this reason, that what it did for me and what I think it did for some of the others who were there that evening was to put a human face, to put human faces on the question of immigrants and refugees. It's one thing to talk about immigration and refugees and all of that in the abstract. It's quite another to meet and actually come in contact with human beings who are immigrants and who are refugees. And so that was kind of the spiritual significance of it for me. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a great day.